Welcome to Woodland Power Products. In this short video, we'll show you how to properly replace the side tube on your collector bag. The tools you'll need are two 7/16" wrenches or sockets. First, take the straight section of the side tube and locate both swaged ends. Insert one swaged end of the straight section into one of the bent legs. Make sure the snap buttons on the straight section align with the holes on the bent leg. You should hear a click sound when the two pieces are connected properly. Next, insert the other swaged end of the straight section into the second bent leg. Again, make sure the snap button and holes are aligned with a click sound. Now, with the collector bag in the upright position and the side links locked in place, remove the top brace. Next, open the Velcro strip and zipper if you have it that secures your collector bag to the side tube. Now at the front of the collector, disconnect the pivot bolt with the 7/16" wrenches and lower the side link out of the way. Next, disconnect the front and rear hinge bolts from the ends of the side tube. Now, slide the side tube out of the collector bag. Now you're ready to install the new side tube. Place the plastic side tube insertion plugs into both ends of the new side tube. Then slide the side tube into the pockets of the collector bag. Slide the tube evenly for least resistance. When the side tube is completely inserted, remove the plugs. And secure the upper zipper or Velcro flap. Please note, the Velcro strap should completely cover the Velcro strip on the collector bag. Now you're ready to fasten the side tube to the collector frame and side links. There are two styles of collectors: collectors with plastic wear blocks and collectors without. The process is the same for both. First, reinstall the front and rear hinge bolts at the bottom of the collector. Place the hinge bolt through the plastic wear block and the hinge bracket. Be sure the bolt heads and wear block are installed on the inside, facing the collector bag, and the bolt heads sit flush within the plastic wear block. Then loosely secure with the nylon lock nut. Do not over-tighten the bolts. The tube must be free to rotate in the hinge bracket. Next, reinstall the pivot bolt. If your Cyclone Rake is equipped with plastic spacers, place the round spacer on the inside of the tube and the square one on the outside between the tube and the side link. Then install the bolt with the bolt head on the inside and loosely secure with the nylon lock nut. Do not over-tighten the bolts. The tube and side link must be free to rotate. If you're replacing both tubes, repeat these steps on the opposite side of the bag. When you're done, reinstall the top brace and you're ready to go. Thanks for watching.